You're laying in your cool bed enjoying sweet dreams. You roll over to glance at the clock and check the time. You jump out of bed. You forgot to set the alarm, you overslept, and now you're late for work. You rush to brush your teeth, comb your hair, and get dressed. There's no time for breakfast, but thankfully your Keurig is ready to go, and in a matter of seconds you're out the door, coffee in hand. Results from an online survey conducted by the National Coffee Association reveal that as of January 2019, 42% of U.S. households own a single cup brewer. This would not be possible without American entrepreneur, co-founder of Keurig Inc., and startup advisor Peter B. Dragone. Today I have the pleasure of telling you about Peter's entrepreneurial background, present achievements, and future endeavors. I'll start with Peter's business background. His first degree was a BA from Colby College, where he met Johnny Sylvan, co-founder of Keurig Inc. He received an MA from Middlebury College and attained his master's in business administration from Harvard Business School. As found on his website, Peter traveled to Brazil as a loan officer, but as business diminished, he eventually found himself working for Chiquita Brands International. He held that position of Director of Finance and Operation Control for 6 years before deciding to invest in his own business. Now that we've talked about Peter's educational background, I will tell you about his current achievements. Peter is a two-time patent inventor, small business owner turned billionaire. After years for working for international business, he decided to invest in himself. He teamed up with his college roommate, John Sylvan, and after years of trial and error, they came up with a beverage filter cartridge better known as the K-Cup. In November 1998, Peter patented the K-Cup, and 4 years later, he patented a smaller, more profitable version. As founded on Boston.com, Green Mountain had been supplying Keurig with ground coffee since the early days and began seriously investing in the startup back in the 1990s. He eventually sold ownership of his company to Green Mountain for an estimated $14 billion, but he still remains a stockholder. We can see that Peter has prospered greatly in both international and small business entrepreneurship. Lastly, I'll tell you about Peter's future endeavors. After selling his billion-dollar company, Peter now chooses to spend his time mentoring small business owners. He offers personal business plans and uses his expertise to advise on the aspects of financial planning, fundraising, and investor relations. He worked for and with many entrepreneurs and has helped startup companies raise over $30 billion in angel financing. Currently, he partners with Hans Van Putten on a company called Worldwide Local Connect Inc. They help startups and small business companies to grow and raise money. They also help with web design and digital marketing. In summary, I provided you with the insight into Peter's impressive educational business, his invaluable patented idea, the Keurig, and his never-ending journey to advise and guide the entrepreneurs that come behind him. Quoted directly from his personal website, it's all very fascinating and it's what he enjoys. I present to you Peter B. Dragone.